by removing the seat, naturally of course, to remove the Allen bolts that are holding the tank. Remove this bolt that holds the plastic piece, and then gently push the plastic piece outward. It'll come off very easily. You need to place a small wooden item and tank will come loose. Don't worry about the fuel leaking, that will stop in a few seconds. And then there's this fuel sensor. Unlock that, and the tank comes free. There you go. Ta-da! Naturally do some cleaning. We need to remove this plate, underneath which the wire would be rerouted then. Just 4 easy bolts. This is the main part. That's the connector harness, and that's the switch. And some zip ties. And the Allen key and the screws. So the switch gets mounted very easily right there. And it's the job done. So find the routing just along with the other wires. So this wiring gets rerouted from here. Once you do that, find the route and additionally, what you can do is try and reroute the wire from underneath the airbox screw, which is right here. After a lot of tug of war with the wires that are covered in dirt, this is the O2 sensor that is behind this red coupler. Now, living in Delhi NCR, you just cannot escape this dust. It will happen and it will get covered on all of your couplers. So, can't do anything. So then this wire gets rerouted from underneath, goes here, behind this, and then into the lambda sensor. Use the zip ties that are provided with the kit and secure the wire so that it doesn't come off loose. This gets neatly snugged in here. And then time to open the negative coupler. There you go. And then just cover it up.
वायर को नीचे यहाँ पे कर देना कहीं.
And just neatly tuck the wires as best as you can. That's the job done. All this gets hidden when you just add the bracket back. And then put the tank back on. And then fix those bolts back on to secure the tank. Then put the seat back on. There you go. Last bit is to tighten up the screws. There.
दो जो हैं 1 और 2 वो बाइक को लीन चलाते हैं,
Right.
ठीक है। थर्ड वन इज स्टॉक,
हाँ,
बाकी के 7 मैप्स जो हैं वो
रिच करते थे
रिच
और
कर देते हैं। 1 2 ये 4 5 6 7 8 9 10,
ठीक है।
ठीक है बस।
और वो कैसा था कौन से लेवल पे है अभी?
जब आप इसको ऑन करोगे,
हाँ,
बेसिकली प्लस किया, जितनी बार लाइट ब्लिंक करेगी उतने मैप पे चल रही है,
ओके।
ठीक है। अब हमने माइनस कर दिया इसको, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7
7 पे।
7 पे,
हाँ।
ठीक है।
And that is how you install a FuelX Pro Plus. So, how do you get to know which map you're running on? So, there are 10 maps. The first 2 maps are towards the leaner side. The third map is the stock one. And the maps from 4 to 10 are towards the richer side. Now, it will blink the number of times that the level is on. Pretty simple. And I can't wait to try this on. So that is a tiny DIY on how to install FuelX Pro Plus on your motorcycle. I'm here at Speed Monks because I had a tiny accident and I fell on the right hand side, so I've injured my shoulder. So I just lack the strength in opening the bolts and everything else that is required to do a DIY. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, do subscribe and let me know what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching.